Welcome to Algebra Practice. Topic is how to simplify radical expressions. A while ago, you learned how to do this. You say it is 5. You also know how to do this. Negative square root 25. That's negative 5. When you are given positive negative square root 5, you say it's positive negative 5. Very good. What if you say something look like this? It's not a perfect square. It is a square root 32. This is what we can do. We can rewrite 32 as 16 times 2. Think about it. 16 is 4 squared. And 2 times 2 right here, okay? Square root means there is a little 2 here. If you want to leave the house, you got to pay the ticket. The ticket said it's $2. So when you leave it, you're going to use this power 2 divided by this is called index. Power 2 divided by index 2. You have 4. 4 come out, 2 stays. That is the whole idea. Now, if you understand this, I'm going to add some variables. What if you say something look like this? Of course, we did 32 earlier. We can do it one more time. More practice and better. All right, so that's 16 times 2. Remember, your little index here is 2. So you want to say, can I write x to the 4th power as something has power 2? That's right. That is something is 2 because power of power, 2 times 2, that's x has power 4. Y stays here. Y said, because I only have power 1, I can't go anywhere. You told me that index is 2. I got to pay the ticket. The ticket says 2. Okay, that's our cute little story. All right, 16 says, I'm able to go out because I am 4 to the 2nd power. I can pay the ticket. Remember, you pay the ticket means you're going to use your exponent divided by the index. So 4 comes out. X has 4th power become x has power 2. Why? Because it was x has 4 power. This divided by index 2, so x has 2 power. Come out. Y does not have enough power to come out, so y says, I gotta stay here. No problem. That is how we simplify this radical expression. Let's practice more. I'm giving to you square root 72. Pause this video, give it a try, see what you get. Good. Did you say, I'm thinking about 72 is 36 times 2. And 36 is 6 has exponent 2. 6 to the 2nd power times 2. Remember, our little index is 2. When you come out, sometimes a student said, I come out as 6 is power 2. I said, no, you forgot to pay the ticket price. The ticket price is 2. So 2 divided by 2, you come out as a power 1. You don't have to write down 1. You simply write down 6. And 2 stays under the radical sign. Okay? 2 stays. 6 come out. Let's continue. How about you have a question look like this? 125 b to the 3rd power. 125. Okay. I'm thinking 125 as 25 times 5. Even better, 25 is 5 has a 2nd power. I'm thinking of b as b to the 3rd power is b has a 2nd power times b has 1st power. Remember, before we learned, keep the base at the power. So 2 plus 1 is 3. That's how we do that. Now, continue. Who can come out? You got to pay the ticket price. So this guy can come out. Pay the ticket price, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So 5 come out. This one, 2 weak, only has 1 power. So you stay And this guy can come out. B has a second power, pay the ticket price divided by the index B. And this one stays. So we got it. We have 5b times under the square root 5b. All right, more practice for you. I think you can do a little bit faster this time. You get better at this now. So 64, who can come out? That's right, 8. How about s to the fourth power? That is s to the second power and another layer second power. Therefore, s to the second power is out. Let us look at our t to the third power. T to the third power is t to the second power and times t to the first power. So this guy can come out. So t, remember, come out. Do not write as t squared. You lost the square because you have to deal with the index 2 here. That's 2. All right. Now, so t come out and another guy has to stay. So you stay. That is how we simplify this radical expression. What if I say something like this? Okay, if you say something like this, no worries. Just because it looks different does not mean it's difficult. It's actually really simple. You see, this is a long radical, right? It's like a long house. I'm gonna build 2 shorter, smaller structures. So radical on the numerator, radical on the denominator. On the numerator, I'm gonna copy down denominator 1 to 1. 1 to 1, you can see clearly it's a perfect square, come out as 11. And on the top part of my upstairs, I have b to the second power, b to the first power. Who can come out, go free? B. And who stay? B to the first power, 11. So you have b times the square root of b over 11. Let us continue. Practice one more question look like this. I like this question because I can do it 2 ways. I can say I'm going to simplify this 100 divided by 4 is 25. I can simplify this. So I will have 25 over w squared. And then I'm going to build my shorter structure. So 25, you get your own radical. Simple. W squared, get your own radical symbol. 25 perfect square. Yes, you're free to go. You have 5. W squared. W squared, since you have a square, then you can come out as W. On the condition W is not 0. Okay, that's the first method. Let us look at our second method. Method 1, method 2. Second method says I can directly build 2 shorter structures, one on the top, one at bottom. The top one says 100, bottom one says 4w squared. So numerator says I'm square root of 100. I can come out as 10. The denominator says I'm 4w squared. I can come out as 2w. Last step, I'm going to simplify. What is 10 divided by 2? That is 5. So 5 over w. W is not 0. Now you see 2 different kinds of methods to help you solve this problem. How to simplify radical expressions. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Happy learning.